Hey everybody, so we're wrapping this up for the cleaners to come in. We got the gate here. The only thing is that slats were stained, so we have them in the garage. We're gonna wait till the rain is done and we'll install it. So the gate will swing open this way, and then in here the house we got everything. We have the stove here. We're doing some little touch-ups that we need to do right there. And you see some blue tapes, don't be alarmed. Those are just imperfections that we saw as we were cleaning up. The painter will come in and do a little touch-up here and there, make sure that those things get addressed before Tuesday. Just a little scratches here and there. We got everything here. Looks beautiful. Ceiling fan. Smoke detectors are in. Carbon monoxides are in. Right there. Here's the other room. Smoke detectors in. So just a good cleaning. Here's our famous bathroom with the vanity and the mirrors in. They're gorgeous. We got the tile in. It's already grouted. Got the molding, the mirrors in. Toilet, the toiletries. All we need right now is to clean up. And paper holder, toilet paper holder. Brand new toilet. Pretty much just some touch-ups that we need to do. We got the lighting here. Nice and bright in the hallway. We did all this. Counters are gonna stay. We're putting the window screens on. That's it, guys.